Our Constitution. Introduction. India got independence from the British on the 15th of August 1947. After independence, our leaders wanted to rule our country efficiently, so a government had to be set up for this purpose. A constitution was required to govern country. For this, a constituent assembly was set up. The Constitution of India came into force on the 26th of January 1950 and India became a sovereign, democratic, secular and republic. We celebrate this day as Republic Day. Our constitution is based on the principles of democracy, socialism, and secularism. Democracy. The word democracy is taken from two Greek words, demos and kratos. Demos means people and kratos means rule. This means that the people choose their representative to run the government. Citizens who are 18 years and above in age have the right to vote and elect their leaders to form the government. Abraham Lincoln defined democracy as government of the people, by the people and for the people. India is the largest democratic country. Socialism. Socialism means that all men and women in the country will be treated equally. Our government makes such laws that benefit everyone. Equal opportunities are given to all the people to progress. There will be no discrimination on the basis of caste, religion or color. Secularism. Secularism means that all the Indians are free to follow any religion of their choice. There is no discrimination between religions. Our government treats alike people of all religions. India is a secular country. Fundamental rights. The Constitution of India provides a few fundamental rights to all the citizens of the country. According to the Constitution, every citizen has certain rights, known as the fundamental rights of a citizen. If anyone feels that his or her fundamental rights have been denied, he or she can approach the court of law. There are 8 fundamental rights recognized by the Indian Constitution. 1. Right to equality. 2. Right to freedom. 3. Right against exploitation. 4. Right to freedom of religion. 5. Cultural and educational rights. 6. Right to constitutional remedies. 7. Right to life. 8. Right to information. Fundamental duties. There's a close relationship between rights and duties, as duties always come along with rights. Without performing duties, a person cannot hope to have rights. Some of the fundamental duties mentioned in our Constitution are: 1. We must obey the law of the country. 2. We must help to keep the country united. 3. All citizens must respect the national flag and the national anthem. 4. We must defend our country in times of need. 5. We must protect our national property and environment. 6. We should avoid acts of violence. 7. All citizens of India are equal. We must treat them as such. 8. We must provide education to our children between the age of 6 to 14 years. Republic. This means that the head of the state is elected by the people. India is headed by an elected president, unlike Britain where head of a state is a hereditary monarch. Directive principles. Our Constitution lays down certain guidelines for the government to follow, for the welfare of the people. Some important guidelines are given here. Providing proper living conditions for all citizens. Providing work for everyone. Ensuring that some people do not become rich by exploiting others. Improving the conditions of weaker sections of society such as those belonging to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Compulsory free education for children from weaker sections.